Good.
Yeah, that was. And now fireworks.
Be the guy that's fucking setting those off.
Yeah, too bad I don't have a degree. Too bad I really don't have a fucking degree. Or at least a license. You need I know you need a fucking license. You need a license to set these off. Pyrotechnics license, I believe.
I'd say you'd have to know what the fuck you're doing.
You know, it's not blow yourself or someone else up. How many times I have misfire?
Yeah. When I was younger, Cincinnati, watching them. They'd set those off on the river like this too. The whole barge caught on fire.
Oh.
Everything went off at once.
Oh, that must have been spectacular.
It was a spectacular scene. It only lasted about 5 minutes.
Whoa.
It's like, well, it's done.
Yeah, I guess. Sorry.
Set up in my backyard.
Oh yeah, the neighbors would absolutely love you.
Bomb the fucking neighbors.
Bum ba da dun 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 ba da dun dun. Yo, you think your $300 setup is cute? Nah, watch this like $100,000 setup right here.
Hitting buttons. I'd have a choreographed.
Yeah. Bum ba da dun 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 dun. Oh, those are going high. Oh. Yeah. Happy Freedom Bird. This feels like a grand finale. But who knows? Have that decent city money. Woo!
Do some more.
Any more?
I don't think so. Nothing against The grand shindig.
Yeah, I think it's the grand shindig.
That's the grand finale.
Defiance. You know how to do fireworks.